Hello everyone, I am Basu, a producer software specialist for American workflows. Today, I will show you how the Marvel's APS integrated with Acumatica ERP for advanced production planning and scheduling focuses on automotive industry. Let's get started. Before we head in our APS session, we'll be moving on to our integration. On integration, we're going to be going into the Acumatica integration wizard. Here, first we need to enter a plan code. I'm going to go with Marvelous. I will click on next. After filling all our Acumatica API informations, we'll click on next as well. On the shift definitions, it's going to be 1 for this particular plant. My shift working days will be Monday through Friday, and my shift start time will be 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. As you can see here, we can see all our machines, as well as our resource type, our number of units, if labor, if there, as you can see here. At last, we have the workstation group codes. Going down and click next. For this production order status, I'm going to be doing both release and plan. I'm going to name this 1. Next. Here, we're going to click on base definitions, and we'll see on the right, it's completing, processing. And base definitions are completed. Lastly, we're going to interrogate production orders by clicking on it. And we can see interrogation done successfully. Last time, we're going to be clicking on next, and it says our integration is done. And let's exit out from here. And we can see our sample 16, the one we integrate under plant A, plant 01. Okay, now we can begin our APS session overview. This is integral to the scheduling mechanism. Each session recognizable by a unique session number, as you can see, such as sample 16, sample 15, and so on. Now let's move on to our interface. Managing multiple manufacturing sites efficiently is paramount. The plant section showcasing locations like A Plant 01 is where this critical coordination begins. The explanation column reveals the intricacies behind each planning scenario, a feature that professionals will find invaluable for handling specific production runs or adjustments. The defined starting date and end date of each session underscores the importance of tight scheduling, ensuring production aligns with demand forecast and delivery schedules. With the plant status, start shift, and end shift columns, the dynamic production window comes into view, providing insights into operational status and active shifts. We can notice how sections like capacity calculations and non-working time empower users with ability to fine-tune resource planning, a critical aspect for maintaining efficiency. The Gantt chart lays out the scheduling with colors indicating various states of operations, a testament to our software's capability in managing the complex production schedules. In the assign work section, each job is meticulously cataloged. From sales order none to job status, the level of detail ensures seamless tracking and execution. Resource allocation is optimized here, ensuring that every aspect of the production aligns with the highest standards. Next, the productive produce semi-product section. It showcases a detailed list of items in the production pipeline, emphasizing our commitment to timely delivery and precise manufacturing. With every detail, from good ID to delivery date, this module exemplifies the sophisticated and integrated approach needed for success. The material usage detail section highlights our strategic planning in material allocation, an essential factor in minimizing waste and optimizing production. Each entry here is a step towards sustainable manufacturing. Lastly, the capacity table section. It's here that the software's efficiency shines, allowing for detailed resource allocation and planning. The efficiency coefficient and capacity utilization feature underscores our commitment to optimizing every facet of production. With the marvelous APS software, navigating through the complexities of modern manufacturing becomes a streamlined, efficient, and fully optimized journey. From planning to execution, this tool is a beacon of efficiency and optimization ready to elevate your production process to new heights. That wraps up our overview of the system. If you are interested in further discussions or would like to explore system customization options, please reach out to us. Thank you.